This SENSARTE non-stick frying pan skillet is like a helpful friend in your kitchen. It has a Swiss granite coating. This means your food will slide off easily. You won't have to scrub hard after cooking food. The pan is also PFOA free. This is good because PFOA is not healthy. It makes cooking your favorite food simpler. The SENSARTE non-stick frying pan skillet is made to be healthy. The stone cookware lets you cook with less oil. This can be a good InversiÃ³n for your health. The pan heats up quickly and evenly, so your omelets and other foods will cook just right. It comes in different sizes, and this one is 8 inches. It's a great size for making eggs or small meals. This SENSARTE non-stick frying pan skillet is easy to clean. Food does not stick, which saves you time. The handle is comfortable to hold while you cook. It feels secure and safe. This pan could become one of your favorite kitchen tools. It's a simple and good choice for everyday cooking. It's like having a reliable partner when you are making meals. Pros: healthy stone cookware, PFOA free, easy to clean, multiple sizes, works on all stoves, heats quickly, heats evenly, durable material. Cons: lid fit not perfect, non-stick needs oil, not fully scratch-proof, coating wears over time. Handle assembly needed, longer warm-up time, uneven heating reported, lower max heat. Handle features: non-stick surface, Swiss granite coat, healthy cookware, stone-like pan, PFOA free, multiple sizes, 8-inch size, chef's style pan, easy to clean, durable build. This SENSARTE frying pan is a chef style pan that comes in an 8-inch size. It has a non-stick surface with a Swiss granite coating, which means food will slide off easily. This cookware is designed to be healthy and is PFOA free. The pan looks like it's made of stone and is built to last. It's also easy to clean and comes in multiple sizes to fit different cooking needs. This SENSARTE non-stick frying pan, with its Swiss granite coating, aims to be a healthy and easy to clean option for cooking. It comes in several sizes and works on all types of stoves, heating up quickly and evenly due to its durable material. However, some users have noted that the lid doesn't fit perfectly. The non-stick surface works best with a little oil, and it's not completely scratch-proof, with the coating potentially wearing down over time. Also, the handle needs assembly. It might take a bit longer to warm up fully, and some have experienced uneven heating or a lower maximum heat due to the handle.